drip, crying face. Give you a kiss, kiss, I'll be okay. Drip, drip, seminary.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Our travel prep have officially begun. Oh my gosh, like I feel like it's not really like I'm not traveling yet. What I feel like is just like, I don't know how to put it, like it feels like it's not really happening. OMG, like honestly this whole week has been a lot, and especially when you're filming like 3 different videos in 1 week, when you're filming for TikTok as well. It has just been a lot, but I'm just grateful. Like this is what I wish for. I'm just grateful for God. I have all this load to carry on my head. Like I'm doing what I love. I'm getting paid to do it. Anyways, that's not what this video is going to be about, but this video is going to be our travel prep. So today I'm actually going to make my hair. Yeah, that's actually what's going on right now. Anyways, the woman is waiting for me. I woke up very early because today I'm doing my hair, today I'm doing my nails. So let's get on with that. The lady that is doing my hair, she's going for an occasion, so I'm going to use that time. I'm even grateful because I was planning to do my nails as well, so I'm just going to use that time to go and do my nails. So I just came home to get like a little cap so I can like cover it. Do you like So today I'm going to buy my things for the travel. I just have to get suitcases, lash clusters. I need like a 10 kg suitcase, a lash cluster attachment too. I also need a pink neck pillow, but I don't know, I'm not going to get it here. I'm probably going to get it in the airport. My mom drops me off at my auntie's place because she said I know the corners of everywhere in Port Harcourt where we can go for the shopping, so that she can go and price all the pricing.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hit now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, ain't know I'm with you right now. You say do I wanna what you do, I know what time it is right now. 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you. All she talking about is coming to me.
had to go take it. So I'm going home.
How she hit me with a come and see me, come and see me for once. Y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me.
It's happening, guys. Oh my god, I want to feel excited, like I want to be jumping around, but like I know my life is starting now. I know that I'm not going to be here ever again, and I know this is everything I prayed for, but like there's this thing in my heart like shit, I'm not going to be with my mom again, I'm not going to be with my favorite people in the entire world again. Yeah, anyways, I don't want to get emotional because I'm going to start crying. Let me go and like pack up. My lips are like so freaking been dry ever since I've been like applying lip gloss 247. So I'm ready to speak like Oyibo. Anyways, I bought many things. I bought a new shoe. I'm still going to buy some tomorrow, so like yeah. I bought jeans. These are things I went for shopping. I bought jeans, bought attachments, super glue, cotton pad, because my sister said she's going to buy skincare for me, setting spray. Then I also bought some nail tints. I bought another lash cluster. Yeah, I didn't really buy much because it was so unplanned, because if it was not planned, and also I don't like necessarily need to carry a lot of load there because I'm still going to buy things there, you know me, things I'm not going to see in Nigeria. Like I wanted to buy Coach bag, I wanted to buy Stanley cup, but like I couldn't get it here, so I'm going to get it there eventually, hopefully before my school starts. Pray for me. So yeah, anyways, these are the things that are currently going on. Let me give you guys a scan of my room. This is currently what's going on. I feel like my room is going to be more scattered, but anyways, big 21 kg suitcase and the little thingies I have to add. I'm currently like trying to like offload some things I need. I got my pad over there, got my laptop that I'm going to be using to watch a YouTube while I carry my things there. Then probably when I'm arranging it, I'm going to stop watching YouTube so I don't get distracted. Packing my wigs, packing many things, packing these wigs, packing my bags, packing I think most of these. Then my shoes, I don't really have 5 pair of shoes. I'll just go there and buy. I think I'll just carry like few, let's say 5 or 4 thereabouts. Yeah, then the one that's going to give me issue is this one. Is it this clothes? It's going to give me so much, like when I say so much issue, bro, I can't even lie. But anyways, yeah, let's get packing. Guys, so this is where we are so far. Bro, like this is what is currently going on. I just came to my realization that I just have so many clothes. Like, look at the clothes I'm leaving behind. Like, mind you, there's still more here. Mind you, I've not even entered this section. I'm still here. These are the clothes that I feel like, yeah, I can wear there. I don't really know. My sister was like, they're going to still buy me clothes there, so I don't really want to pack much. But like, I have so many fine clothes, and this is like, oh my freaking days. If my cousins were to be here, they would have collected a lot of clothes. So these clothes are just, I don't wear most of them again. I most likely will carry this. The girl is tired. The girl is like from market to ranging clothes. Now we're here, and one day about me, once I go to Canada, there's going to be a serious problem because I don't freaking like cold. I've not even started. Okay, I've edited my room tour vlog, and that vlog is out. It's my life update vlog, which I don't really even have any freaking time to edit. I think, yeah, I'm going to stop at Lagos, so I think I'm going to use that time to like edit the vlog. Yeah, I'm going to use that time to edit the vlog. Yeah, but yeah, let me just see. I just brought out a room tour vlog, so yeah, let me tell you guys my schedule of vlog, even though you guys are already going to be seeing it because this is my travel prep vlog. I'm doing a live update vlog because I just dropped my room, so I was honestly thinking of doing like advice for content creators, but when I looked at it, I was like, no, because I know once you guys know I'm going, like most of you guys are like getting the hints, but like it's not yet clicking. It's not clicking that I'm standing on business. But like once you guys know I'm going, I know you guys will like crave for the vlogs, so I'm going to start with the life update vlog. I want you guys to crave it well. Then I'm going to start my last few days in Nigeria, coming up with this vlog, which is the travel prep vlog, and finally my travel vlog, period.
Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we want. I know you got another nigga trying to play the part. Cause he got a heart, don't mean he got a heart. Could be standing in the field and still ain't in the field. If anything should change, then I thought we had a deal. Lately you keep questioning what you get out the deal. Doing things that make me feel the way I make it feel. How hard is it to let you know I'm coming home? That way you could be prepared, maybe take a couple sick days and not miss pay. I don't even know what things are looking like inside of your place. I was never ready. This thing's getting one-sided, I can't even lie to you right now. Yeah. What you talking about is come and see me. Come and see me for once. Don't ever come to me. Don't ever come to me. Yeah. All she hit me with is come and see me once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. Don't ever come to me.
Hi guys, I hope you guys can hear me. Please ignore the way I look. I've not been crying. I feel like there are not going to be any tears work tomorrow because my mom and my younger brother are following me to Lagos. Then from Lagos, that's where they're going to be saying their bye-bye. But I feel like there's going to be a little. I doubt there's going to be because it's only my uncle that I feel like I'm going to cry for. But you know, I feel like it's next tomorrow, which is Thursday, that there are going to be tears works. But anyways, I'm going to update you guys on my flight schedule, probably in the airport or anywhere. But I just finished packing my bags, and right now we are going to watch a movie as the last thing we do as a family. Not technically a family because we are not complete, but as let's just say core memory. So my closets are all emptied out. Those sacks over there are like the ones I'm going to be giving to my cousins and yeah, cousins, basically cousins, nieces, blah blah blah. Like, look at my closet, it's so empty. Like, bro, see all my clothes filled. Let me hang this thing here. All my clothes filled all these freaking bags. Everywhere is empty. These are the ones that are here, the ones I'm wearing tomorrow. All these ones I'm leaving them here. Then look at here, everywhere is empty as well. It's not technically empty because your girl is still doing some things. Then look at my bag. My bag is not looking cute right now. I actually took a picture, but like after I took a picture, my mom was like I should do her nails, and as this is my last, I was like, why not? So yeah, please ignore the fact that it's looking so scattered. Then over here is my other bag. Like I said, I did my mom's nails, so I just a lot of things to arrange. But yeah, this is the bag that I'm going to be carrying. Like, this is my carry-on bag, and I'm going to be carrying with me. But once I reach my airport here in Port Harcourt, it's going to be with them. Like, I have no business with this one. It's just this one I'm going to be having some business with, which I've packed everything I'm going to need for 2-9. Then everything is just messed up. But all of this I'm not carrying. All of those I'm carrying. So like, the room is, it still feels cool because there are still many things inside that are not really, some are not packed, while others are like they don't need to be packed. But then again, it's still looking empty. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to carry this vine to my room, to my room in Canada. I'm going to delete it. I may or may not carry this vine. But this boy is going, not sleeping in my room this evening. I'm sleeping in my mom's room. So yeah, guys, I can see myself in the mirror right now. Can I cute boogie? I drank Fanta, so it looks like I'm pregnant. Flight update is Port Harcourt to Lagos, right? My Port Harcourt flight tomorrow 12 p.m. So by 8 a.m. I'm already there to get my certificate and move. My mom was like, I should learn for a day, but like, I'm not really, like, I don't feel like it's going to work out because I don't want anything to, like, that flight is very important. So like, Lagos to Port Harcourt, Port Harcourt to Lagos, then Lagos to Germany. Like, then there are many names, so but that's the only one I can pronounce properly. Lagos to Germany, I think it's the Netherlands. Then from Netherlands to Canada. Like, my flight is so simple. My brother and sister, when they travel, they had from Lagos to this, then from this to this, then this before you get to Calgary. But mine is so simple. Like, after I will leave Lagos to Germany, I'll have like a stopover of 6 hours. So after the stopover, it's straight to Calgary, like no stress, nothing. And bye guys. This is going to be the second to last. I think the last time I'm going to be taking this camera is tomorrow, which is the travel day.
But like I said before, I don't know which vlog I said that in, because honestly I'm filming 3 videos in a week. Like I said before, what did I say before? I said, yeah, I'm not going to be vlogging the travel vlog for this, because this is just travel prep. The travel vlog is going to have its own video because it's going to be long. Even though it's not long, it's going to be yeah. Anyway, I'm going to be picking up the camera again tomorrow when I'm about to travel to tell you guys a goodbye and go and watch my travel vlog. Bye guys.
Yo, I think I'm actually going to miss that. Like, I'm going to miss that. I think that's your goodbye to me. That is God crying for me, guys. That is God crying.